So, you started?
Okay, hey everybody, it's your girl Allie, and here we are once again. We found a slow leak in my tire, and we did it this time by running the tires in some water. What did you do this time?
I put some soap, dishwashing soap, inside water, and you dump it in here, and pressure will go against the soap and bubble up to let you know if your tire is leaking or not. And we found the nail, so we're going to patch it.
Okay, and this time we ran it through a
Bucket of soap and water.
Bucket of soap and water.
Yep.
So here we go. All right, everybody. Every time you turn around, it's something with my tire. All right? But we're getting it fixed, right?
So we use this tool.
Mark, you can use
We
this
use
tool.
this tool. I don't know what this tool is called, but we use it to take the air out.
Okay. Oh, okay. So he's taking the air out.
Yeah, see?
Removing all of the air.
Now the air is out. This is what holds the air. I don't know what this is called neither.
Okay.
So now this is our machine, and now this is what we call breaking the tire.
Breaking it as in letting the air out.
Breaking it, yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna break this tire, everybody. Get the air out of the tire. How to find a leak using a bucket of water with soap. Ooh, I heard it.
Now it's broke.
Now it's broke. Wow. So we just broke the tire. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You're watching Allie's View. We do thank you for coming by and seeing what we're up to this time. See right there.
Now the tire is broke. See? The tire is broke.
Okay, the tire is broke.
Now we're going to take it off. And by the way, the first video that I was in, I was a rookie.
You were a rookie?
Yeah, I was a rookie.
What? Now here you are. Look at you.
Yeah.
Now you reference. Now you're running things.
Yeah, I'm the manager now.
He's been promoted. Yeah. Congratulations on your promotion.
This is where we patch the tire. This, you need a lighter.
Oh, okay. All right. sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You are watching Allie's View. Be sure to hit it.
Okay. This is where you wear down the tire.
Okay.
So now we're wearing the tire down some. Sorry.
Oh, you got it.
We back. Okay. Now we have to wear down. Can't put a flash on. Okay, so see, you can't even tell where the hole is anymore.
Nope.
Nope. Move that out the way. Now we gotta come back. And the hole is there. Gotta wear it down some more. So now we put this on here. So I can remember where the hole is, right? Right there. So this, let it up. My favorite part. That's where we use the lighter. We set it on fire.
Oh, wow. Very interesting process here. Wow, look at that. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You are watching Allie's View, and this is how to patch a tire. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? He's literally burning this tire. Burning rubber.
Now you let it dry a little bit. That's when you put the patch on. Let it dry a little bit. Put the patch on. Like that. All around. Then that's when you use this.
Okay.
Go around the edges. Make sure it's flat. Make sure it's all flat. And then you just go crazy. Yep.
Wow. Very interesting process. I'll tell you what, guys, you only see this kind of stuff on Allie's View. Whether you're learning about how to cook various foods, whether you're learning how to repair your tire, how to find a leak with soap and water, how to plug a tire, how to change a tire at night, you name it. You're watching Allie's View.
That's all the time.
That is all the time. Alright, here we go.
So now we put it back on. And outside. Watch how fast. Watch how fast.
What is it? Oh, that was the. That was the trash.
That's how you put a tire on, all in one motion. The rolling does
look
not
at that.
stop. The rolling does not stop.
Okay.
Rolling does not stop. And we're done.
Voila! Look
Now
at that.
all we need is to add air.
Okay. Look at that. Everybody, you're watching Allie's View, and this is how to patch a tire. You've seen this wonderful gentleman before. He's now the manager here.
Yes.
And he is showing us how to make sure we get this thing done and done right. so I won't have to keep putting air in my tire. Apparently, we rode down the last patch, or last plug, I should say, because it was a plug before, now it's a patch.
Okay. Now the only thing we have to do is go outside and see if it's leaking.
All right, so now we're going to check it again, see whether it's
Now we
leaking.
gotta check if it's leaking again.
Okay, here we go. How you do it? All right.
Here's the square. Just remember that hole?
Yes, the square was there.
Same soap.
Okay. There
Throw it on there.
There he is.
It's not bubbling anymore.
He's putting soap on already.
It's not bubbling anymore.
Doesn't have any water though. Do you have to put it in the water or no?
Soap is the main event. See, look.
Oh, really? So soap will determine even if you don't put it in the water.
Nope.
Interesting.
See, it's not bubbling anymore.
No, it's not.
That means we're
Everybody, you are watching Allie's View, and that is how to patch your tire. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You know I'm always showing you something that I've got going on. And it seems like lately there's been one thing or another going on with these tires. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Whether I'm in Georgia or South Carolina and I have a situation where I need my tires done, you guys are right on the cutting edge of it. You get to see what's going on and learn all these new techniques. Shout out to the team at A&B Tires and Automotive right here in Marietta, Georgia. You can have your brakes and other things done to your car, tire and auto repair. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And here's my main man right here. He's representing. And our manager, our leader. And he's giving me my lug nut back. Look, all right. Thank you so much. Everybody, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. You are watching Allie's View. And you can see my tire is back on my car. Now, I'm getting ready to go in here and take care of this. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. You're watching Allie's View. And make sure you come to A&B Tires if you need to have your tires repaired or anything done to your tires.